Hi guys, and welcome back to Renee G TV. We're back today and we are going to take on a new project. We're going to home can chicken breast, and we're actually going to pressure can this. And it's a lot more easy than what you would probably think, but we're just going to go through the entire process, and we're going to start by cooking it. And I have a pot of water simmering on my stove, and we're going to add the chicken over to it, and once it's cooked we'll bring it back and we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so we have cooked our chicken. We haven't totally cooked our chicken. We've actually just cooked it between half and 3/4 of the way through. We're actually going to pressure can this for an hour and 15 minutes, so 75 minutes, and that will finish the cooking process. What we're going to do at this point is just cut this into bite-sized chunks. I'm going to can this in half-pint jars, so I'm just going to do bite-sized chunks, but you can do bigger chunks if you like. And I'm going to get all that cut up, and then we're going to come back and proceed on. Okay, so we have our clean half-pint jars, and we're just going to put the chicken in, and this is a hot pot method. It's cooked chicken. You can do raw if you so prefer. We're just going to fill this to that bottom line, or 1 inch from the top. Okay, and then we're going to take the broth that we used to cook our chicken in earlier, and we're going to fill that to that 1 inch mark as well. I'm going to get the air pockets out. And then we're going to take our napkin and vinegar, and we're going to clean the rim, which you can see I have some stuff there. That's why it's always good to make sure that you clean your rim. One more time. Okay, and then a hot lid. And a ring. Okay, and I'm going to place this in the pressure canner. It is already hot and coming up to temperature because these are hot as well. And once I have them in, I'll bring you guys back and give you a look at that. Okay guys, so about 3.5 pounds of chicken. I got 8 half pints, and I've got them in my pressure canner. I'm going to can according to my canner's directions, and I will bring you guys back and show you where we're at. Okay, so we are in the process. We got about 49 minutes left, and we will have half pint of chicken breast ready to go for whatever recipe we want. And I'll bring you guys back and show you what it looks like when it comes out. So it has been 75 minutes, and these have come out of the canner, and they actually look really good. They've only been out for just a little while, but to give you guys a closer look, and you can do so many things with these. You can make chicken salad, you can use these in a casserole. You can pretty much use them in any place that you would use chicken, that you would use cooked chicken. It looks appealing, and it's very quick and easy to grab this off the shelf and make dinner for the night or lunch, something like that. I hope you guys give this a try, and if you want more in-depth instruction on canning, let me know down below. Also, if there's any videos that you'd like to see, my channel's kind of a plethora of all sorts of things, and baking, canning, all sorts of stuff. So shoot me some ideas down below. I'd be happy to fill some of those requests, guys. So definitely let me know. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.